Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to remove the back headband from the Oculus Rift S. First of all, you just need to remove this face piece. Should just pop nice and off, nice and easy. Okay, I've got a little rubber piece around mine, so that's why it might look different to what you might have. This is an optional. You can remove this cable. I'm going to leave it in. You just remove this headphone port here. Comes off. Then there's a release slider here, which you push across. While pushing this button, you should be able to then slide off the headpiece. A little awkward to do with one hand, but there it is. Back piece off. Left with just the headpiece. I'm not going to take the cable off because I'm going to put this back on in a second. Hope you enjoy this quick tutorial.